What's going on? I've never done an intro like this before. I don't know. I'm whipping the Harley today. Ross was kind enough to let me borrow one of his bikes because all mine are kind of down right now. He's rocking his dad's brand new Triumph Rocket 3, so we're on the cruisers. So this is kind of like a different style vlog. So I figured I would try to actually like film this differently. Not traditional at all. I usually use a 360 camera on top of my bikes, and so it captures everything around me. So today we're going to be relying on this camera and this camera. This one kind of sucks, and this one doesn't have 360 degrees, so we're kind of stuck with what we got. So I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. Haven't really figured out a destination yet, but yeah, it's kind of hot out today. It's like 70 degrees, and yeah, no more wheelies, or speeding or anything because we're on Harleys. So it's a great time to actually film for YouTube.
Brother.
Yeah, brother, brother. So yeah, I'm not rocking the jacket. I am rocking the Ducati boots, Alpine Star gloves, armored pants. That's about it.
You're just like, your wardrobe is just completely wrong for the bike today. But
yeah, I'm rocking like the compression shirt. I should be wearing like a leather vest and like one of those World War II helmets. Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Your patch and back there, man.
Yeah, yeah. I do got the backpack though. Go for a bag. So yeah, we got limited time today. It's gonna be cold later, so we're trying to enjoy it while we can. Oh my god.
Look at all this cool ass gravel on the road. Little pea gravel action.
Oh, had to layer down.
Had to lay Ross's bike down.
Got them grass clippings.
Bro, you gotta like at least try and cruise on this thing. It's so big.
I don't know if I want to because I'm gonna be way too tempted to fucking rip it.
I know. I'm displaying a lot of like self-control right now.
That thing is still in braking. I don't want to. If I jump on it and I full throttle it and something explodes, all of a sudden I'm responsible for it. And I'm like, I'm gonna cry, bro, because that's your dad's new bike. I don't want to ruin that.
Hey, it's my boss.
Pop a wheelie for him. Oh my
They're
god.
coming.
What is this?
They know it's nice out.
Bro, who designed this road?
Someone who should be fired for it.
Oh
See
my
that fence?
god.
That fence down there? The cops sit behind that fence sometimes. So
Speed enforced strictly by radar.
like they'll park right here sometimes, like in that lot.
That's so scummy, bro. I hate
know.
that.
I never ever speed over here.
This is why I'm glad I'm whipping the Harley today. I can't get in trouble, bro. I feel immune. I can't even like break the law right now. I'm going like,
if you wanted to.
I'm going like 30 miles an hour. It feels like 100.
I know. It's a lifestyle, bro.
It's terrifying.
Yeah, it is kind of scary. Imagine 120 on that thing.
Oh, I was gonna turn that way. I'm sorry, I was gonna turn that way. Hi there. Yes.
The Harley community.
I live for that. I get that on my sport bikes too. That was just entertaining. Bitch.
All right.
Know your place.
I got way more torque than you, buddy.
I got way more horses. This thing doesn't even have cruise control. What?
It does. It has a makeshift cruise control on it that's like fucking golden age tech.
What?
Yeah, it's like a little dial on the fucking throttle cable. Do not use that shit as death trap. I've never used it.
Well, now I want to try it.
I don't know how to use it. I can't even really explain it to you.
I don't want to use it. What the fuck?
I would advise against it. I'm not gonna lie though. Like that bike looks really cool with you on it. Like it's.
Yeah, you know, she gets the job done.
Point A to point B, brother.
Point A to point B, brother.
Bar B to bar C, bar.
Hair like getting in my face, bro. I'm like, oh my god. This is the best part about not wearing gear. Yeah, compression shirt, brother. On a Harley.
Badass, brother.
Car was going too quick. I almost could have cut it.
That really manhandled those bars there.
I feel like such a jackass, bro. Wow, I'm a douchebag on this thing.
Yeah, you are.
What are you gonna do about it? Come on, brother. Come on, brother.
500 miles yet? Break in already.
Dude, I'm riding through a residential neighborhood with this loud-ass exhaust.
Oh.
I literally am the worst nightmare here.
Disturbing the peace 101.
Yep. I love it. Fuck the system.
I was like, that guy's thinking, is that Matt Woods on a Harley?
No, yeah, no, that's totally not me. Hello.
Someone else.
Why would I be on a Harley? That would be a ridiculous thing. I gotta say, it's nice and cozy though. I'm like leaning back. This is nice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. As nice as this like single frame camera is, I kind of miss my 360. So it's gonna be harder to edit the footage later. But gotta wheelie it.
You'd be the best fucking wheelier in the world.
No, not gonna wheelie. Is this belt drive? Oh, let's turn left.
Like this burnouts and that's pretty much it. Oh, dude, when I was leaving your house yesterday, I was slipping and sliding.
Why are we so close to the car in front of us?
Harley tings, I guess.
Harley thing? No, No, this is, you're on a Triumph, buddy. I don't want to hear it. And you like kept pulling up further. I'm like, Ross, what are you doing?
Sorry, I'm stupid.
Stop it.
Wait,
So easy, I can do it with one hand.
beer in the other.
Beer in the other. Fucking drop a gear and go nowhere.
Eyeball.
Ah!
Oh, god damn.
That fucking scared me. I was like, ah.
I had a hand off though, dude. It's like I'm never getting out of this fucking driveway.
As cool as having the, oh, that's not, where's neutral? There it is. Yeah, as cool as having the big muscles out. Ugh. Yeah, it's not entirely practical, so I'm gonna pull up there on that little driveway or something. As long as it's not gravel, put my hoodie on. My very protective hoodie. Hey, I got the armored pants, I'm good.
I don't.
Oh. Yeah, so we're opposites. I got the armored pants and you got the armored jacket. I'm gonna try to like back into it so that way I don't have to like turn around. Oh wait, this is a church. Never mind, I'm just gonna pull in.
We're here to try out that thing called Christianity real quick.
Yep. That's that Harley. Ride the church, ride home.
And to the bar.
I think I went the wrong way. I meant to go that way, but it's fine. Whatever.
Jump.
The offices of Jesus Christ himself.
I'd like to speak to Virgin Mary.
I'd like to make an appointment with God.
God.
With God. Oh, throwing my...
151 miles on it.
This has a couple more miles.
Couple more.
Got a couple more miles on her. You want to hop on the back? I got room.
Yeah. I guess you'll need the key if you're gonna ride it.
Yeah. Give me. Oh yeah.
Matrix sunglasses on, man.
Riding the Rocket 3, dude. Oh my. Alright. Ross was gracious enough to give me the keys to his dad's brand new Rocket 3. Mr. Yates, if you're watching this, I know they're still breaking it in, so I'm going to be taking it really easy. I've wanted to ride one of these bikes for a long time because it's literally 2500 cc's, so it's a 2.5 liter engine on a motorcycle, okay? So, I don't know what to expect from this at all. It's a pretty beautiful bike. Like, this is literally the engine right here. For reference, this is a Harley. Like, that's a pretty big motor. This thing is massive. Oh, hello, church. Praying.
Right.
Get on your knees. You gotta dedicate it. You gotta dedicate it.
Alright.
I was gonna do it too, but then you beat me to it, so never mind.
You
Yeah.
gotta do something original, dude. Take a shot. For Jesus.
Going to hell for that one. No, so anyway, motorcycle. Yeah, this thing is, I'm gonna try not to wheelie it. I probably will want to do that. It's 160 foot-pounds of torque, which for reference, I'm pretty sure that's how much torque my car has. Keys in my pocket so I don't lose it. Anything else I need to know before I forget?
Maybe just say a quick prayer.
This would be the place to do it in front of a church.
It's over.
Yeah, I don't even know why I try anymore. That was, do I look good on it? Do I look cute?
Oh, you look amazing.
Oh yeah, she's pretty punchy. Good in rain mode? Nerd.
Buzz off.
I throw it in road mode at least. I've been trying.
I was putting on that boy.
Yep. Indeed he was. Anyway, so not really going to give any riding impressions because not really set up to film like a POV riding review today. Plus, it's not really what I do on this channel anyway, so we're just gonna whip it and see what happens. If you don't see this video, that means I probably died.
I'll post it for you, man.
If you do see it, then he either posted it for me, or my family did, or whatever. Find out what happens. I kind of like doing that little vlog style. I just wish it was more practical.
Back on my fucking old chariot.
Woo! The foot pegs are in a lot better of a position.
Yeah.
You can already tell. Wow, this thing's so much better.
Fuck you. I mean, stating facts, but my dad said the same thing right after he hopped off. You got it. No. Forward. There you go.
What the fuck?
How is anyone supposed to figure that out?
That is actually hilarious. Imagine he's like, thought the seat was gonna fly off. So this thing. Alright, you see this? You see this right here? Left,
Yes, sir.
right. Click that shit, dummy.
How do you cancel it? Just
Hit it again.
Put it again,
Oh,
yeah.
no.
Not a V-Rod, but I had a Suzuki Boulevard M50. Like,
Anyone need a car wash?
Do I need a
Yeah.
car wash? Yeah, actually.
This thing's as big as a car. Let me fit in that bitch.
I actually rode this through the grass yesterday night, so it did get a little muddy.
Where the fuck did you ride through the grass?
My front yard.
I do that all the time, bro. I can never keep my tires clean. It sucks.
Yeah, fuck 'em. Need to get in the fucking breezeway somehow. It's a death thing. It's a death machine.
Come on, turn it. Go, gadget, turning radius.
Turn that bitch.
60-point turn.
What a turning radius you got there. Sup, dude?
Thank God that car didn't decide to go. I would have been fucked.
Oh, hell no. It looks like you almost scraped. What is your deal?
On your lifestyle, brother. Burn out.
Yo, Ross, this thing still has a fuel light.
It'll go away.
Oh, okay. I was a little bit worried about it. I was like, okay.
Wheelie this thing, bro.
Hell no, I don't trust myself wheeling on other people's bikes.
You kids and your fucking sport bikes.
Loser.
Fucking yeah, you fucking old twat. The Hells Angels would hate you right now.
He's a heaven's angel.
That is wild.
Heaven devil.
You think I can stop you?
He's so horrible. Are we hanging at Louis or Roger?
Just go fucking vertical in the air. I'm like, well, I guess.
They're gonna take a class on how to use a turn signal, alright?
I don't. These turn
You
signals
look-
are weird, bro.
You,
Fucking
no.
tell me how to do it.
You look down. Yep. You see that arrow pointing to the left? Click it.
Get on the bike.
I'm gonna see if there's a fucking dummy book. This dude's a dummy.
Let's go having fun.
Oh my god! Okay. Hogger versus CX6.
You thought just because I'm on a hogger, I'm gonna hold back? Nah, brother. Let me show you a real man's bike.
You don't know the lifestyle unless you've never ridden one.